Fresh, clean water remain among one of the greatest challenges along the Kenyan coast. This is Centum Real Estate Sea Water Desalination Plant, located within Vipingo Development Industrial Park, just step away from the Indian Ocean. Every single day, this facility converts salty and drinkable ocean water into 3 million liters of safe, clean, potable water delivered directly to our residents and investors. How does this process work? It all begins beneath the ground. Boreholes are sunk close to the ocean, allowing sea water to pass through natural layers of sand and rocks. This natural filtration removes large impurities such as plastic, seaweed, and marine debris. From the borehole, the water is pumped through this pipe into the raw water tank where it is treated with chlorine. It is then transferred to this blue filtration tank where fine particles like dust and sediments are removed using conventional filtration method. To maintain efficiencies, the filters are regularly cleaned using a backwash process. The wastewater is then collected into this black tank. Once filtration is complete, the water is pumped into high-performance membranes. The membranes remove salt particles through reverse osmosis, allowing only fresh water to pass through. Since ocean water is approximately 70% saline, only about 30% emerges to be clean, safe, drinkable water. At this stage, water is thoroughly tested to confirm salt and chlorine level meet drinking standards. Once approved, the treated water is then stored in this storage tank with a capacity of 3 million liters ready for distribution within Vipingo Development. The entire operation is fully automated and continually monitored through this centralized control system. This is how Vipingo Development guarantees sustainable supply of clean water, securing long-term value and peace of mind for its residents and investors.